tension in. Throw away. We don't need that.
Hello, welcome to our channel, La Familia Rosa. We are very thankful to have you as part of our family. If this is your first time here, we want to welcome you to our channel and to invite you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. In this channel, we talk about adventures, travel, road trips, and we also share Puerto Rican recipes. You can also follow us on Instagram and our Facebook, and our link is on the description box below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We upload new videos on Tuesdays and Fridays at 11 Central Standard Time. With all that said, let's get started on today's video.
Let's get started.
So today we are going to unbox our new purchase for our YouTube channel.
Yay!
So we have here
A LimoStudio 700 watt softbox lighting kit. So let's get to it. Let's
and
open.
I'll put the description of the item in the description box below so you can check that out on the Amazon. We got this from Amazon, so you can check that out. Let's see.
So let's see what the box has. As we open it, we have the instructions. It says attention. Throw away. We don't need that. We're gonna be. This is a carry-in bag for the LimoStudio. This is our first light box. Second light box. These are the rods for stand. There's two of them in the box. They're like tripods. Second stand that we have. Feels sturdy. These are two bulbs, 85 watts each. They're 85 watts, and there's two of them. They are packed in foam, so the bulbs won't break.
So we're gonna put this together and see how it looks, and we're gonna show you guys.
clip right here. This is your base clip. Then this is one of your lamps. So
you're going to use the adjustable clip to alter the height and length. So you use that already. And universal stud head that mounts with the light head. Oh, you got it already. Attach softbox and stud head. So how to do that, Jason?
So this is one of the light bulbs. It's 85 watts, and for this to open up, you're gonna insert the bulb, and as you tighten the bulb, this is gonna have a frame inside. It's gonna push it and open it. So this is the cover for the light box. It has Velcro on all four sides, and we are going to put it at each corner. And there you go. You have your first light box. Not turning on, don't know what it is. The bulbs are not going all the way in, so I'm trying to troubleshoot it.
So the final moment has arrived. We got the equipment put together, and we're going to show you how it looks now. We're very excited to have this new equipment because the arrangement of this house when it was built, it doesn't allow us to have a lot of natural light, and we do record the cooking videos at night because he works full time, I work full time, and so that's the time frame we have. So now we're going to be able to record videos for you that are more bright. So let's see the final result.
Let's see.
Ta-da! Como crea I guess you have to know how to position the light, because if you don't position the lamp right, it creates shadow. Like there's shadow here, and I don't know what the role of shadow is, but I do want to mention that the extension, the power cord is short. If you have the light, I'm going to show you. So the cord is about 48 inches long, and if you might need an extension cord. So we're gonna have to learn. I can't even see myself. So I think we found an angle where we have the light in, but we honestly have no experience in this, so it's gonna be a learning road.
Leave us a comment with some tips. Maybe it could help us out. Thank
Yes,
you.
please. Thank you. Bye-bye.